Hello, chickies. Hello again. Good morning. Hello, Thomas. Hello, Ricardo. Good morning. Hello, Alejito. Good morning. Hello, chickies. How are you doing? Okay. Hello, Martin Ruiz. Hello. Okay. Who else is ready for the math class? Juanita. Hello. Very good. Excellent. Okay, very good. As you can see, we are going to talk about something new. We are going to start talking about the new topic. Hello, Fede. Good morning. Okay, Diego Alfonso. Hello. Good morning, sweetie. Very good. Okay, so first, let's begin with a short song. Let's sing the good morning song to begin the class with all the energy and very happy, okay? Okay, so good morning, hello, and how are you? Early in the morning, I said good morning, hello, and how are you? In the morning, I clap my hands in the morning. I do my dance in the morning. I shout, hooray! This is going to be a wonderful day. Good morning. Hello, and how are you? Early in the morning, I said good morning. Hello, and how are you? Yay! Hello, Joaquin, good morning. Hello, sweetie. Hello, Majo. Hello, sweeties. Okay, very good. So let's begin. Okay, today we are going to talk about shapes. But we are going to talk about two different types of shapes. We are going to talk about 2D shapes and 3D shapes. Do you know what is 2D shapes and 3D shapes? No? Okay, I'm going to explain to you. Okay, we have different types of shapes. Let's explain first 2D shapes. The letter D goes for dimensional, dimension, 2 dimension. Let me explain. It means this is a 2D shape. It goes two ways. As you can see, it is flat, right? And it goes two ways. It goes side to side and up and down. Up and down. Those are the 2 dimensions. Side to side and up and down. No more, because it is flat. This is a 2D shape. And how do we call this shape? Square. Very good. This is a square. I have here two more 2D shapes. I have a circle. Look, it is a flat shape. It is a circle. And also I have here a triangle. Very good. This triangle is also a 2D shape. It is flat. It's flat. It's a 2D triangle, a 2D shape. Okay, but what happened with 3D shape? They have 3 dimensions, I have here the drawing of some 3D shapes, but I'm going to show you objects that have that shape. So let's begin with the cube. I'm going to introduce you a cube. Can you see the cube? This is a tissue box, but it has the shape of a cube. Why do we say it is 3D, 3 dimensions? Let's see. It also, as the square goes side to side, side to side. It goes up and down, but it also goes back to front. So it goes side to side, up and down, and back to front. So, as you can see, they are different. The square, the 2D square, is flat. The cube is not flat. Hello, Pipe, welcome. Okay, I can clap with the squares between my hands. My hands are next to each other, right? But what happened with the cube? I cannot do that. Look, it has faces like they look like a square. Yes, look, but it has 3 dimensions. Look, can you see the difference? So we call this one a square, and we call this one a cube. Cube. Okay, I have here some examples of cubes that I found at home. So I show you the tissues box, right? It is a cube. Repeat, cube. Cube. Very good. I have here another box from my son. It is a box from Escandalosos, and it has the shape of a cube. Look, it is a cube. And I found a big cube. Do you want to see? Another box, but a big box. Look, this box has the shape of a cube. It is a big, big cube. So everyone repeat, cube. This is a cube. Cube. Okay, so now we can see the difference between a 2D shape that is flat, and a 3D shape. Okay, so we already know the cube. Do you want to know the other 3D shapes? Okay, so let's continue. Okay, let's continue with the sphere. Repeat, sphere. Okay, here I have a drawing of the sphere, but do you want to see a real sphere? Okay. Look, this is a sphere. Can you see the difference between the circle? Look, the circle that is flat and the sphere that is not flat. Repeat, circle, sphere, sphere. sphere. Very good. I have some other examples of sphere here. I found this from my son too. And this is a sphere. Okay, it is round. It can roll, right? It can roll. So I have here two different types of spheres. And I have a very soft sphere here. Let me see if you can guess what is this. Okay, it looks like a sphere, right? But it's very, very soft. Do you want to see what it is? Okay, it's an animal. Can you guess? Hello, Felipe, welcome. It is a sheep, look. But its body looks like a sphere, right? But it is a sheep. Okay, so remember, sphere, circle, circle. Okay, let's continue. Very good. I'm going to put my spheres here. And let's continue with the cylinder. Cylinder. Okay, we can find many examples of cylinders at home. For example, I found this is a cylinder. It has coins inside. It is a money bank. Cylinder. I have a similar cylinder here for this tuna can. This is also a cylinder. Cylinder. I have a bigger cylinder here. This is a cylinder too. Look. And I have a small cylinder. Remember the piece of wood that we use in the science class? Okay, this piece of wood is also a cylinder. It has two faces that look like circles. And it can roll too, look. Ooh, it rolls. Okay, this is a cylinder. Cylinder. Very good. And the last 3D shape that we are going to learn today is the cone. Cone. I couldn't find anything at home with the shape of a cone, so I made a cone using a piece of cardboard. This is a cone, like the ice cream cone. The ice cream cones have the shape of a cone. That's why we call them ice cream cones. Okay, this is a cone. Like the party hats. Party hats also have the shape of a cone, right? So here we have an example of a cone. Very good. So let's make a short review and then we are going to work in our notebooks. So we have 2D shapes. Remember, letter D goes for Dimensions, very good. 2 dimensions, 2 dimensions. 2 dimensions, side to side, side to side, up and down, up and down, and no more. 2 dimensions. They are flat, flat, and we have some 2D shapes like the triangle, circle, square. We have also the rectangle, oval. We have many 2D shapes, 2-dimension shapes like this ones. And then today we are learning about 3D shapes, 3-dimension shapes like sphere. Repeat, sphere. Very good. Sphere. Like cube. Like the cube. Repeat, cube. Very good. Cone. Like the cone. Or cone. And finally, cylinder. 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 Okay, so now we are going to draw our 3D shapes in our notebook to remember the 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 3D shapes that we learned today. So go ahead and grab your Cuadritos notebook and a pencil and colors, the material that you have, okay? Grab your notebook, grab your colors, your pencils, and I'm going to get ready to, okay? Ready? Okay, very good. So we are going to write a beautiful title at the top of the page that will say 3D shapes. You can use your pencil or you can use any marker with a different color or a different color. It's okay. So I'm going to use this purple marker and we are going to write 3D shapes. Ready? Okay. So we are going to begin with number 3. 3. Very good. Now we are going to write capital letter D. Capital letter D. 3D. And now the word shapes. Shapes. So we'll begin with the letter S. A little space here. Remember, we are going to write a different word. So let a short space here. S. Letter H. Letter A. Letter P. Letter E. And finally, letter S. Ready? 3D shapes. So we are going to draw the 4 shapes that we learned today. So let's begin with the cube. We are going to begin with the cube. So we are going to write the name of the shape. I'm going to change and I'm going to use an orange marker. And we are going to write cube, cube. So we begin with the letter C. Letter C. Then the letter U. We continue with the letter B. And finally letter E, cube. And I'm going to teach you a very easy way to draw a cube. To draw 3D shapes is not that easy, it's not that simple, but I'm going to teach you how to draw a cube. So you are going to take your pencil, and first we are going to draw a square. As you have the Cuadritos notebook, look, with my pencil, I'm going to draw the cuadritos from your notebook. So you have something like this. Right? This is how your notebooks looks like. So we are going to use those cuadritos, we are going to use those to make the cube, okay? So first we are going to draw a square. Remember, all the sides of the square are the same size. So I'm going to use 4 squares to make my cube look like this. 2 down, 2 to the side, and 2 up and down. This is going to be my square, okay? 4 little squares from my notebook. Okay, now attention. I'm going to draw another square, and part of that square is going to be inside this one. Look, I'm going to choose the center of my square, and I'm going to draw another square with 2 cuadritos from your notebook. 1, 2, up. 1, 2, up. 1, 2, and 1, 2. They are going to be like this. Ready? Now, attention, I'm going to join the corners to make my cube. Look, I'm going to join this one with this one. Okay, let's go to the other corner. This one with this one. Okay, this one with this one. And finally, this one with this one. And I made a cube. It's very easy, right? Excellent, very good. You did a great job. Okay, so let's continue. And let's draw another 3D shape. What about the sphere? Sphere. So with your pencil or with the color that you're using, we are going to write the word sphere. So let's begin with the letter S. S. Letter P. Letter H. Letter E. Letter R. And finally, letter E again. Sphere. To draw a sphere, we are going to draw a circle and we are going to make a little shadow to pretend it is a sphere. A shadow like this. So let's go and draw a circle. Let's draw a circle. Right? And we are going to draw a shadow here, like this, to pretend it is a sphere. My sphere looks like an egg. It's not that round, okay. So, sphere. Let's repeat, cube, sphere. Very good. We have 2 more to draw. Okay, I'm going to change my piece of paper, but you can continue on the same page. So now we are going to draw the cylinder. Cylinder. Let's write the name of the shape, cylinder. To write the word cylinder, we begin with the letter C. Letter C. Letter Y. Y. Letter L. I. N. D. E. R. Cylinder. Okay. To draw a cylinder, we are going to begin with an oval. Oval, like this. Let's draw an oval. Not a circle, an oval, a flat circle. Okay. Then I'm going to draw 2 straight lines on each side. One straight line here, and then another straight line here. Okay, and I'm going to join those two lines with a curved line, not straight, no, curved, like a smile, like this one, like this. My shapes are not that nice today. Okay, so this is a cylinder. Repeat, cylinder. Very good, cylinder. Excellent. Now the last one, cone. So let's write the name of the shape. That's a very short word, cone. So we begin with the letter C. O. N. E. Cone. The cone is very easy. It's like if we were to draw a triangle. So we begin on the top and we are going to draw the two sides of the triangle. So I'm going to draw one side, then the other side, and then I'm going to join the two sides with a curved line, like a smile, curved line. The same like as in the cylinder. Ready? Very good. Excellent. So let's review. So we have our 3D shapes. Everyone repeat. Sphere, cube, cone, cylinder. Okay, right now you are going to have a homework. What do you have to do? You are going to explore and look for 3D shapes around your house. And you are going to see how many spheres can you find, how many cylinders can you find, how many cubes can you find, and this is a more difficult, how many cones can you find? Okay, so this is the homework for you to have fun and find many 3D shapes at home. Okay, very good, chickies. That's it. I hope you have a very nice weekend. Remember, see you on Saturday for Pepe's birthday, okay? Bye-bye. Love you.